foreign visitors, they come to Taiwan and they want to enjoy the Hello Kitty train. So I will introduce another way to take a Hello Kitty train without booking the train ticket in advance. Hello Kitty train runs between Shulin and Haidong Station. It will stop at Taipei Main Station and Hualien Station. If you buy the train ticket between Hualien and Taipei, it's very difficult to get a train ticket because it's a Tai Local Express. In the normal days, it's also very difficult to book a train, especially the Hello Kitty train. So I will introduce another way to take a Hello Kitty train without booking the train between Taipei and Hualien. Today I booked the Hello Kitty train between Shulin and Taipei because it's very easy to book the train ticket between Taipei and Shulin. So I will go to Shulin first. So let's go. Another reason to take the Hello Kitty train from Shulin Station is that Shulin Station is the first station, so the Hello Kitty train, the Tai Local Express, will stop here over 5 minutes. So you have much time to take a picture of the Hello Kitty train. Now 5:35, 5 minutes before departure, so I have 5 minutes to take a picture of Hello Kitty train. As you can see, all empty. It's very easy to book the train. If you book the train ticket between Hualien and Taipei, it's all full.
We are now at Taipei Station.
This is the end of my trip in Hello Kitty train. I wish you can also enjoy Hello Kitty train by using my tips. Welcome to Taiwan and enjoy your trip. Bye!